So, Sheikh, if the spouse...
I told you it was about marriage, huh? She's my wife, it's none of your business. What?
Let's say my wife.
You're not married. So the question is clear. If your wife beats you in the house, what are you going to do? It depends. If she's heavier than me, I'm gonna be peaceful and try to make her happy. If she has experience in MMA, then again, I have to be careful. Women usually don't beat men, but there are instances, and I have a lot, where women come and beat up their husbands. Now, the norm is the husband can beat 10 like her. So when you beat her up, are you a better man? When you defend yourself, choking her, putting her to the ground, smashing her on the wall, have you become a better man? No. We have to see the circumstances. Why did it happen? Maybe I provoked her. Maybe it's a compilation of many mistakes over the years from my side. And she tolerated me all these years and exploded. Would that explosion justify being a man, I give you a divorce? Or being a man, beating you up? Or being a man and making an issue out of it? Or would I be wiser and a better Muslim when I tolerate this, leave the home, let it marinate for a few days? She knows she made a cardinal sin and a grave issue, but I will benefit on the long run from this incident. Akhi, everyone can retaliate. Everyone can beat the person back. And the Prophet said this in a hadith, alayhi salatu wasalam, لَيْسَ الشَّدِيدُ بِالسُّرْعَةِ وَلَكِنَّ الشَّدِيدُ الَّذِي يَمْلِكُ نَفْسَهُ عِنْدَ الْغَضَبِ. A strong man is not the one who can fight and beat others. No. A strong man is the one who suppresses his anger. When someone comes and insults you, you can insult back, you can beat him up, you can scratch his car, you can do something that's harmful for him. But what did you benefit? You did not become a better man. But when you suppress your anger, you, according to the Prophet ﷺ, are a strong man. I hope this answers your question. But if you think about a woman beating you up, I don't think you're going to get married soon. Watch out.